Welcome to Cromwell Middle School.
If you're coming here next year, you might be wondering, what's a typical day like for a 6th grader?
Let's take a look.
One of the biggest differences between middle school and Woodside is you have a different class for each period.
Usually we have 6 different classes and 6 different teachers. It can be confusing at first.
At Cromwell Middle School, students have the opportunity to explore interesting opportunities and interests.
There's something here for everyone.
At first it'll feel confusing, but you get used to the schedule really quickly.
You will have your core classes. Those classes are math, language arts, science, and social studies.
All those core classes are found in the 6th grade hallway.
Check out our new cafe. Lunch is a great time to relax, enjoy a meal, and hang out with friends.
We have many great options. Also, a delicious breakfast is served each morning.
There are many great special classes at Cromwell Middle School.
For example, we have art, chorus, band, gym, health, general music, robotics, STEAM, and computer programming.
Students can explore French or Spanish.
Then they can study either during grade 7 and 8.
Come check out the main office.
You can find our principals, Mrs. Cochiola and Mrs. Middlebrook.
Also be sure to visit the guidance office.
The counselors are always here to help you out.
Right around the corner, you can also find the nurse's office.
Tonight you will tour our beautiful new building.
Think of this tour as a scavenger hunt. Each classroom is marked with a QR code.
Scan the QR with your smartphone to get a description of the class.
We can't wait to see your child next fall. Enjoy your tour!